I am Super Awesome Possum, and today I have got a special guest. It is TJKNIGHT51, and he's just going to be watching. Also, he has a super awesome channel, so make sure to check out his channel. Make sure to comment down below what you want to see us do. So, us on gaming. So, yeah, let's get started on Toca Kitchen.
She's the fox.
The fox?
Yep, the fox.
That's a cat.
The cat. No one cares.
Okay, so
Lemon.
we're gonna feed the kitty cat lemon. Pour salt on it. Okay, my next video is probably gonna be, I don't know,
Whatever the subscribers want.
yeah,
Viewers.
yeah, or Toca Kitchen 2. I'm probably gonna do Toca Kitchen 2. So what you see me doing is totally random. Totally.
You can feed them anything you want, even if it's like the most disgusting thing, like,
Yeah.
but
But
no,
the
you have to
hay-
boil it now.
The hay, the people won't eat for some reason. Or
It's
what
hay.
is...
Cows only eat hay.
I know. Oh, what is that thing in the middle that's like going back and forth? Here, I'm gonna put a piece of lemon on it.
I think it should be done boiling.
Yeah.
Now we have to do one more thing to it.
I like that
Fry it.
kitty. I like that kitty. What she says.
Does it mean it wants it, or?
It means it doesn't want it. See? Okay, now put some pepper on it. Ew. It's like doing...
Will she eat it?
Will she eat it? Did it?
No.
No, she
That's
won't eat it.
amazing,
Okay. How about some fish? Be nice to fish. How about we do disgusting stuff to it?
Then let's blend it up after we cut it up.
Okay, so we cut it up. Now we're gonna blend it. Ew.
Guys, this is really gross.
Oh.
Don't recommend playing this.
Yeah, I don't recommend doing the blending.
Now we have to blend
A pear.
which one's the most gross?
The mushroom. The mushroom's disgusting, guys.
We have to do the mushroom.
We have to show you. It's disgusting. Ew. See? It has weird liquids coming out of it.
No, don't all.
Okay, let's do it again. Ooh, the steak actually isn't that bad when you blend it, or whatever that is. See? Ew,
It looks like something else that you can buy at the store.
Yeah,
I
like
forget what it's called though.
beef.
Now we have to cook it.
Beef.
Should we fry it? Should we boil it?
I don't know.
Or should we
smell like beef. Yes. Ooh. It's fried. Yeah. That's kind of weird how it doesn't like. I went like. Let's make a potato. A potato. Let's microwave the potato.
Microwave potato. So bad.
Yeah. They're hard.
10 seconds?
20.
Let's spam it.
Woo. 8, 7, 8, 5.
Okay, I think
That's good. It wants it fried.
Well, I'll boil it.
A fried potato. What does that taste like?
Okay, let's fry it.
Let's fry a potato, which I have no clue what
Then
this
let's
is.
blend it, because this cat's getting us mad.
Cat. Nope. Don't feed it to him. I don't know how they eat it in one bite. Oh, ew. The juice is green. Ew. Oh, okay, that's just disgusting. Okay, we better just get rid of all this lemon. Yeah, just gobble at it. Another lemon. Okay, this is probably the end of my video. Thanks for watching. Let's hear if you sneeze. Bye-bye. Peace out.